Okay, hello everyone. So today we got a Squier telecaster coming in for a refret job, which also includes a pro setup and a new custom bone nut. This video is going to be very long. If you want to skip ahead, just scroll all the way to the back. There will be a part whereby I give an update of how the guitar sounds like after. So yeah, stay tuned. I have more guitar jobs on the way for your viewing pleasure. So if you need my help with any of the guitar work, you can contact me via WhatsApp 84189951. See you soon. Bye. so today we got a Squier telecaster coming in for a refret job. It's all done now. This is a bone nut, and after that it looks pretty nice right now. Previously there's a lot of buzzing starting from here to here. Right now everything is cleared up. Previously it's on 0. Now is 0.8 strings. Right now it's on 1046 elixirs. Then for the sharp fret, it's at 1 mm. For the bass side, also around 1 mm for the treble side, so it's pretty nice. It's quite comfortable. One thing to take note if you want to set up your own guitars is that the radius has to match the saddle. So if you do not match this, sometimes if let's say this is a bit flatter than the radius, what happens is that down here it will start to buzz. This is fairly common if I see people set up their own guitars. They think that you want to make it lower, you just make it flatter and you bring it lower. If you do that and you do not match the curvature of the radius for the neck, in this case this is 9.5, then what happens is that it will start to choke up around here. Okay, so this is the clear test note. Okay, all clear. This is the band test. Third string. So pretty much it's quite clean. Let me just quickly tune. Oh, good. Okay, distortion. All good. Okay, let me know when you want to pick up. The guitar is less than 5% left to do. I just need to clean up here and there. Guitar's all good. So yeah, it's been a while since I do a refret job, but looks pretty nice. See, bye. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any comments or you want to see more videos, like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can comment below. If you have any other questions, you can WhatsApp me via WhatsApp 841899519. I see you soon. Bye.